guys.
Hi guys.
Hello guys.
It's my sister. Today is my birthday, August 21st. We had the open house. The first day of school is on Friday. We're going in 3rd grade. I just turned 9.
I'm still 8, and I got my
That thing's 4.5.
And I got my new iPad.
Yeah, I need some.
And you need to do some paperwork before you come.
I need to do some paperwork for mine. We couldn't find it there. My papa's here. What do you want, Laura?
And what do you do?
Thank you.
We're making a video. What do you think?
I forgot about this actually.
Oh, you forgot about? No, we
For some reason. I kind of forgot. I kind of forgot
This
how
is
to
my
get
ugly brother,
in. Should I try to get in?
and he's mean.
Should I try to get in?
He likes his.
Zora, move. Nope. Quit saying that. So we're just telling you it's my birthday because on my last channel, First Drive on 51, I promised you guys that I would.
Tilly.
I promised you guys I'd film a video on my birthday, so I'm doing it right now. I've had a great birthday, and if any of you guys are watching, it's your birthday. Happy birthday! Bye, like and subscribe. Love you all.
Like and
Peace.